There are people who hate Mondays, and there are those who love them because they're happy with their jobs. So today, we're going to show you workers who do their job perfect. Subscribe to the channel and click the bell.
These two workers appear to have spent a long time mastering this job. He seems creative, frankly. It seems to be a new method of construction. He seems to be a skilled man with extensive experience. I couldn't find an explanation for this. Cooperation is the foundation of everything. It seems he spent many years for this. You need to be strong and experienced to do things like this. I couldn't find an explanation for this. He seems to be a skilled man with extensive experience. I honestly wish I were a little child again. It's a dangerous job, but he knows it. They seem to be very professional in their field. good work that deserves respect. A truly relaxing clip. This worker who is carving a piece from an ice cube looks creative. These are the men who create masterpieces from melted iron. This worker seems relaxed and enjoys his job well. A truly wonderful and unique method of construction. You need to be strong and experienced to do things like this. Honestly, it's a very relaxing sight to see this worker cleaning the truck. He seems to be a professional at his job.
Kim?
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like and comment.